Welcome to Commons West. This is a 5-story apartment building on the western end of the Ithaca Commons. We're here today to see apartment 314, a studio on the 3rd floor. Let's head on in. As you enter, the first thing you'll notice is the large hall closet on your left. We next come to the kitchen with a refrigerator, a microwave, a dishwasher, and an electric oven and range, as well as plenty of cupboards. This is an example of a partially furnished apartment. We have provided a full-size bed, and the tenant provides all the rest of the furniture, which you can arrange however you like. This apartment has one large east-facing window with a limited view of the building next door. Every studio is air-conditioned and has a heating element. And here is your second large closet. One great feature of Commons West is the intercom system, so you can buzz your friends up. We'll finish in the bathroom. A nice bathroom with a vanity with built-in shelves, a medicine cabinet, and a shower and bathtub combo. Rent for Commons West Apartments includes heat, water, and trash and recycling fees. Electricity is the tenant's responsibility, and high-speed internet is available upon request. Thank you for coming on a tour of Commons West 314. Call us today for availability.